Hey guys, welcome back to QuikSnag. Right here, we're going to pack this order. The customer ordered the blue box. As you see, we got all these delicious treats going in. We got some Fruities, Airhead Scream, Juicy Drop, Cotton Candy. Guys, this is the box to get. The blue is not only cute in the color, but the flavors, oh wow, blueberry. We got a grandma cookie going in there, vanilla flavored, double cookie. We got some Boobaloo, some, what is that? Ring pops. We got 2 ring pops, and the other one is the push pop gummy roll. I didn't even know what it was, y'all. Not play with it all day, putting in orders. We got some Fruities going in. We also got some M&M minis. Yum, yum, yum. We got the Lucas Panzone. That's the green apple flavor, but the color blue. It's just the aesthetics, y'all. And we got the Bubba, what is it? Bubbaloo gum. The customer also ordered some extra stuff. They got the grandma cookie, some salsa gatti, Fago pop, and another thing of Lucas mucus, and that one right there, y'all see it. This was a very fun box to pack. I know the customer's gonna enjoy it. And we got a beef jerky. They're gonna get that for free, y'all. All right, bye.